Ah, she's been rehearsing it every night for 22 years. Follow your dreams. Carpe diem. Sax solo, Maya Angelou quote, out.
Nailed it. Lisa, since you're moving to the big city, let me give you some very important advice. The police horses will not share their oats. I repeat, not share their oats.
Stop the car! I wonder what life could be like. Je t'aime.
Hold that thought. It's midnight.
When are we gonna get a real apartment?
We live in the best bell tower in the world, and you're still not happy.
Nelson, it's still a bell tower. Some